You might not know this, but there's nothing ordinary about you. Your potential is just waiting to be revealed. For that to happen, you need to believe in yourself. Create your own trajectory with ambition. You need to be daring and learn to bounce back from adversity. To be aware of your abilities, your strengths, and your power to take action. However, these things rarely happen by themselves. At BSB, you'll find a setting which encourages you to open up to others and to the world. Here, you stand out. Here, you surpass yourself. Here, you transform yourself. Here, you can perform. But above all, here your imagination has no limits. You will learn that where there's a will, there's a way. That nothing is impossible for you, but nothing's achieved without effort. This awareness is our mission. This is the guidance we want to offer you. Because we are convinced that youth is innately bold, innovative, passionate, and creative. We believe in your ability to make tomorrow's changes. At BSB, we believe in you. So think big. BSB, we believe in you. We believe in youth.